Hello, how are you today? Kindly give attention to my discussion on product design and development. As an operations manager, this product design and development plays a very, very important role, and it actually makes a company great or makes a company in red. I'll discuss this thing in point-wise for your perusal and understanding. Before that, I like to tell you a little story about the importance of product design and development. You know, the whole world, not only in India, the motorcycle plays a very, very vital role for movement of men and movement of material and making livelihood. Many people's livelihood depends on motorcycle. Today, all these this Zomato, Swiggy, etc. would not have survived if there were no motorcycle. And this is true for all the countries, including America, Africa, China, everywhere. So let us see a small story about this motorcycle design and development. You know, the Hero motorcycle was there for quite some time in India. And their motorcycles were all kick-start. You know, you have to start the motorcycle by kicking. Do you remember? When I was first doing my job, my father presented me a scooter because I stood first in IIT Kharagpur, and that was my father's condition. If you stand first in the class, get a degree like that, then I'll present you a scooter. I had a longing for getting a scooter, so I got a scooter and a job also. I got married after 3 years, and I remember very good days when I, along with my wife, would have moved around in my scooter. It was a very great memory for me. But I also remember the embarrassment that I had in starting the scooter, especially during the winter. You have to go on kicking, and the motorcycle will not start. Suppose I go to some VIP's house and the VIP has come to see me off, and the motorcycle will not start. So you can understand the embarrassment. You know, I am standing there and kicking for 5 minutes, it's not taking start. I used to get tired while kicking. Sometimes my wife used to push me from behind so that at least I go some distance away. It was a very happy memory. At the same time, it was very memory of some very funny incidents and very funny times. China during those days was a supplier of motorcycles in the whole world, and Hero cycle, that Hero motorcycle, they were also trying to capture the world market. Hero motorcycle those days was also trying to capture world market, but China captured the world market. You know, they have installed a battery and a starting motor like car. So you just push the knob and the motorcycle starts. You don't have to kick. As a matter of fact, they have not kept the kicking apparatus there. That was the reason why everybody started buying Chinese motorcycle, and Hero cycle, though otherwise it's an excellent motorcycle. It's a really great motorcycle, but because of this, they were not getting the world market. Their sales was much low compared to the Chinese product in various other countries. In India, of course, it doesn't matter much because India was not allowing the import of motorcycle. But in African market and Middle East market and other market, Australian market, New Zealand market, etc., this Thailand market, Hero was not going. All Chinese materials were coming. Then, you know, Hero appointed a chief executive, that is their operations management head, to look into this and do something about it. He developed the technique of auto start. Motorcycle is same, only thing he installed battery and also the starting mechanism. That is, he developed a product, he changed the product design and developed a new, you can say new version or new model of Hero cycle. After that, the Chinese motorcycle found it very, very difficult to compete with Hero. Today, with lot of pride, as an Indian, you should all feel very happy to know that Hero motorcycle is world #1 exporter. Now, how it has happened? China has also auto start. Indian motorcycle, that is Hero, also has auto start. There is a problem there. In China, they used to send motorcycle in cannibalized condition. What is mean by cannibalized? Cannibalized means separate parts. All parts they will put in a box and they will send it. And then you take it to some auto mechanic and they have given instructions manual, drawing, etc. Then you assemble it. Assembling is easy, but you have to do the assembling there and then you get the motorcycle. It is much cheaper also compared to Indian, it was much cheaper. Now, India used to send in shipload of motorcycle but ready-made. That means you just put the petrol and start the motorcycle. From the port itself you can drive down your motorcycle. Now, this Chinese motorcycle people found it very difficult because for example, if I am in Africa and I want to buy a motorcycle, I do not know who is the right mechanic who can do and how far he is living. Maybe he is living 200 kilometers away. So I have to take this box to him, then he will assemble it, and I have to wait there in some hotel or something. He will take maybe 1 day or 2 days. Then I will have to again transport it back in a transport, and then I will have to drive. So ultimately, you can say that Hero cycle of India made China packing its product, and today the world #1 motorcycle seller is India's Hero. Now this story of heroism you can emulate in all the products, all the services, provided you are a good operations manager and have your mind open to new ideas and implement it, right? I will today try to discuss about the theoretical side of it, and I will also try to impress upon you that is very common sense and easy subject. Please be attentive. Don't take any notes, because what is the point of taking notes? Because if you read 4 or 5 books, you will get all the knowledge you required. But today I am telling you this lesson, try to appreciate it. इसको अपना लेने का है, ठीक है? Don't learn it by rote. Don't learn it for exam purpose. Learn it for using it in your life. Okay? Thank you. Let's now begin. What is product development? Meaning, definitions, examples. Meaning, product means any marketable thing which with some utility in it, produced either by a labor or through series of automated process. Development is an act of making or achieving a continuous process in something by someone. Progress, transit from earlier policy, that is traditional approach, to an advanced policy, that is modern approach. Product development is a specialized activity. It is done to improve the existing product or to introduce a new product in the market. It is also done to improve the earlier features or techniques or systems. Product development takes place, works or function as under creation of an entirely new product or upgrading an existing product by exploring all possibilities and outcome. Innovation of a new or existing produce to deliver better and enhanced service to end users. Now, product development is innovation, creation of new product or existing product, enhancing utility of the new product or enhance existing product, continuous improvement of the new product or existing product. Product development takes place, works or function as under continuous improvement of the new product or enhancing an existing product by giving preference to satisfy the demand of the end user, enhancing the utility of the new product or upgrading feature of the existing product for personal or commercial use to expand the definition of the goal. Here I would like to remind you that any job you do, you must satisfy the demand of the end user. End user may be your boss or maybe a engineer of the other department. So whatever job you do, you should do it with ownership and passion and think that people must appreciate that this is done by this gentleman or woman. Meaning again, a good product development helps to create new business opportunities and bring growth, boost productivity and profitability of the entrepreneurs, enhance the satisfaction level of the consumer. Following are some of the common examples of the product development. Packing wheat flour in the retail bag for household consumption. Packing cooking oil in a retail pouch for household consumption. Converting landline phones into wireless handset for easy portability and full-time access to communication. Some other example. Following are some of common example of the product development. Modified desktop computer into lightweight laptop to ease portability. Transform a traditional library into an e-library to facilitate faster searching and accessibility of electronic books and other digital documents. Convert a simple airplane into a fighter jet to achieve a greater speed. Product development system, ideas, ability, customer requirement, functional specifications, product specifications, design review, test market, introduction, evaluation. These are the scope of product development team. Quality function deployment. Identify customers' want. Identify how the goods and services will satisfy customer wants. Relate customers' want to produce. Relate customer want to product house. Identify relationship between firm's house. Develop importance rating. Evaluate competing products. QFD house of quality. Interrelationship. How to satisfy customer wants. What is the customer wants? Relationship metrics. Analysis of competitors. Again, house of quality example. Your team has to be charged with designing a new camera for great cameras Inc. The first action is to construct a house of quality. Issues for product development. Robust design, modular design, computer-aided design, that is CAD, computer-aided manufacturing, that is CAM, virtual reality technology, value analysis, environmentally friendly design. Robust design. Product is a design so that small variation in production or assembly do not adversely affect the product. Typically results in lower cost and higher quality. Modular design. Product design in easily segmented components adds flexibility to both production and marketing. Improved ability to satisfy customers' requirement. computer-aided design, CAD, using computer to design products and prepare engineering documents, shorter development cycle, improved accuracy, lower cost. Information and design can be deployed worldwide. Computer-aided manufacturing, utilizing specialized computer and program to control manufacturing equipment, often driven by CAD system. Benefit of CAD/CAM. Product quality is assured, a shorter design time, production cost reduction, database availability, new range of capabilities. Product quality, short design time, production cost reduction, database availability, new range of capabilities. Virtual reality technology, computer technology is used to develop an interactive 3D model of a product from the basic CAD data, allows people to see the finished design before a physical model is built. Very effective in large scale design such as plant layout. Group technology, parts grouped into families with similar characteristics. Coding system describes processing and physical characteristics. Part families can be produced in dedicated manufacturing cells. Group technology, it is ungrouped parts, grouped parts, slotted parts, threaded parts, drilled parts, machined. Group technology benefits: improved design, reduced raw material and purchases, simplified production planning and control, improved layout, routing and machine loading, reduced tooling setup time, work in process and production time. Service design. Service typically includes direct interaction with the customer, increased opportunity for customization, reduced productivity. Cost and quality are still determined at the design stage. Delay customization, modularization, reduce customer interaction, often through automation. Concept created by John Carjon of Scandinavian Airlines. Critical moment between the customer and the organization that determine customer satisfaction. There may be many of these moments. These are opportunities to gain or lose business.